Hey foodies! Today on She Cooks It All, we are going to make this delicious, pillowy soft Orlando style beignet. These are so good and I hope you'll be inspired to give them a go. So we are starting off with our dry ingredient. Everything will be mentioned in the description below, and also a food recipe will be on the blog later. So our dry ingredient, which is just the flour, vanilla sugar and salt, and then we are going to add in our yeast and then whisk this together until everything is well incorporated and set aside. After that, we are going to start preparing our wet ingredient, and we simply are using evaporated milk, which is a must. Evaporated milk is a secret, guys. Okay, egg and then melted butter. Again, we are going to lightly whisk this and pour our wet ingredient into our dry ingredient. We have one more wet ingredient, which is hot water. I like to use it last, and first of all pour it in this bowl just to collect all those remaining, and then in it goes with the rest of the ingredients. And because this is a very wet dough, I like to use my stand mixer. It does the job for me. So about 3 to 4 minutes, mix well on high until your dough is nice and elastic. 3 to 4 minutes. Do not overdo this. Just like as you see here, and my dough is ready. And then if you have a silicone spatula, guys, these stuff are really good for scooping out stuff that are very sticky like this. And then we are going to scoop that, and then we are going to use another bowl. Lightly oil this is the bowl that we're going to place in the fridge later. Okay, lightly oil your bowl so that the dough does not stick in it, and then we are going to transfer our dough into this oiled bowl. Okay, once you transfer, again guys, this silicone spatula, oh, they are a must. So you transfer your dough in there, cover, and you're going to place this in the fridge. I can't talk today. Place this in the fridge overnight. If you don't have time, minimum 8 hours. This needs to chill and ferment in the fridge. The next day, now we are ready for the next step. However, guys, don't be like me. You will see the mistake I made. I transfer my dough straight to my silicone mat. No, 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 no. Don't forget to first flour your mat or your work surface. Again, this is a very sticky dough, but when it's chill in the fridge, it make it easy to handle. Okay, flour your work surface, your silicone mat or whatever surface you're gonna use. Flour it well. Okay, and then you're going now to place the dough from the fridge. So this is straight from the fridge. Don't bring it to room temperature or anything. You need to handle it while it's still cold. Okay, so place it on your mat, on your well floured mat, and then we are going to roll this. Also flour your rolling pin. Okay, so we are going to roll this until we can form some sort of a triangle or rectangular. I try, but shaping dough and stuff, it's really not my forte, but I'm trying. Okay, so you can see here, you are going to again roll this into a medium thickness, not too thick, not too thin. If it's too thin, they will not puff up well in the oil. Okay, this is the perfect size for me. Okay, after this, we're going to cut these into squares, and again, I try, trying to get those Orlando style squared beignet, but I tried, they were not squared, but they were still delicious. Okay, so you're going to try your best and cut into squared, even squared, and then this is when we're going to allow our dough to rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. You want them to come to room temperature now and to puff up a little bit. Okay, just 15 to 20 minutes. We're going to cut this, as I say, cover, and then 15 to 20 minutes. So while they are resting, this will be the best time to start prepping our oil we are going to use to fry this. Okay, another tip here, guys, when our oil, we need to heat it up on about medium to high, not too high and not too low. If it's too low, these are going to absorb the oil and then it will be all the mess. If it's too high, they will darken without cooking inside. So just a good medium. I'm going to write the tip and the temperature, everything down below, so you can understand. If you have a thermometer, you can try that. Okay, and once you put the dough in, you have to flip them straight away. This kind of help them not to puff or to break too much. So flip them, and you have to continue flipping them until they're nice and golden brown, about 3 to 4 minutes, okay? But keep on turning them so they can cook evenly and they can brown evenly, okay? Once they're ready, about 2 to 3 minutes or 3 to 4 minutes, you're going to remove them from your oil and place on a wire rack, which I just laid with some kitchen towel just to absorb any excess oil, and that's it. You're going to repeat the same process until you finish frying all your squares. Oh, this was such an amazing recipe, guys. I hope you're inspired. And if you're watching up until now, please do subscribe, give us a like, comment, share, and all that good stuff. And of course, what is new Orlando Beignet without all that icing sugar? We need that cloudy sugar on our lips when we are biting into this. These were so soft, so pillowy soft, really, really airy and delicious. I hope you are inspired. I hope you will give this a go. If you do not forget to come and let us know how they turn out for you. Thank you so much for watching.